My name is Olaf Yunus. I'm an 11th grade student, and today I'm here to TED Talks to talk about how I think the actual topic, the problem for us, for current students, is choosing a profession. So, the choosing a profession is a very important step of life that determines our future. So, why so many people doing the wrong selection? So, okay. The junior students want to become the doctors, I don't know, divers, actors, astronauts, but the differences are changing in time. So, why it's happening? I have three reasons for that. The first reason is the prestige. Majority of the students want choosing the profession only for one more money. So, but, how said my friend Abad, I'm plus money, nothing to happen. The next reason, I must use your imagination. So imagine, you're in a big auditory and the teacher or director says, asking from all class your chosen job. And when your all friends, all class saying that they want to become divers, as the question came to you, you all say the same answer. So it's strange, but it's happening with students. So the following reason is information. Information is an important part of choosing a profession because if you are afraid of blood, you can be the surgeon. I agree with you. So now let's see the statistics of our lycée. How many people already know the future profession? So let's start with 7th grade. So the 7th grade. The 44% of 7th grades are know the future job. I think is normal. So let's see the 8th grade. 8th grade is we can see reducing for 7%, but it's also still normal. So 9% is 20%. It's not small changing, it's big changing, reducing it. About 10 grades, I think it's don't need any comments because they haven't got any state exam or UNT like us, like we do. So what about my class? The undergraduate student, we need to choose a job faster because we haven't got any time for thinking. And our percentage also low because we are not sure. We are not sure because we haven't any time. Now, what about our teachers? The teachers, it's unbelievable, but they also were a student. And so, do you remember the teacher of physics? He graduated KP2 and his profession was engineer or something like that. Do you remember? Or cannot be the teacher of English. He graduated SDU for IT technology. So what you must do to make the right choice? I divided by 3 steps, and the first one is to collect all information. All information about university, about all pluses and minuses of jobs that you choose. The step number 2, it's to be independent. Be like a ship in the ocean. It's so many ways in life that you can choose, and nobody can control you or something else. So the next reason, the next step, it's know your ability. So I will give an example. If you want to be a soldier, you must have a strange health, but if you will be a bad soldier. But I want to say that if you are ill, don't be a soldier, you can't, or something else. I want to say, do better yourself, go on to me, and if you will observe all these steps, rules, you will find a suitable job for you. Thank you for attention.
Congratulations, man.
Great job.
Or you want to run away? Not saying which profession you have chosen. Yes, of course. This is your topic, but we have to know who Yunus is going to become.
This astronaut.
Astronaut. Okay.
I want to become a doctor, and I'm wanted from 9th grade.
Okay, you are the person, not from, you are the in that 10% of the students. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So, friends, I think that's important for 10th grade who are still
Sleeping.
Sleeping mode. Okay, thank you, Yunus.